What's up guys, Sinclair Photos here, and today is a big day for the FRS. I've driven over 1,000 miles since the valve spring recall has been done on the car. So now I think it's time to finally unlock the Subie rumble. That's right, I have bought unequal length headers from CNT Racing. I think they're gonna be pretty nice on the car. Please excuse the construction noises in the background, but take a look what we got here. Some stainless steel, silver, unequal length Catless headers. And then I don't really have a brand for this one, just a Catless mid pipe and then the front pipe as well. So the FRS is going full Catless in today's video. We got a heat shield for the headers and then some extra Grimspeed little whatever those are called. So we're heading down to a shop right now. They said they should be able to put them on, but we're gonna put this mod on the car today. And speaking of mods, we got Mike Booth in the building. Just got some new taillights for his truck. We're gonna be building this truck on the channel very soon, isn't that right, Mike?
Yes, sir.
Big things coming, but today is all about the FRS and unlocking the Subie rumble with the CNT Racing unequal length headers. Let's load it all up in the truck and head down to the shop. All right, Mike's gonna give us a startup, the last startup with catted headers, catted front pipe, and the Invidia N1 exhaust. Yeah. All the way up. All right, there you go. As you see, no pops, no rumble, nothing. Thank you very much, Mike.
Yep.
Let's get this thing screaming. See you there. All right guys, we are almost there. This has been mad annoying. There's been bumper to bumper traffic for like the past 15 minutes, all to go like 1 mile. But finally, we're gonna exit here and then we should be at the shop. All right guys, we have dropped off the car, dropped off all the stuff. A little bit more expensive than I was wanting to do, but it's whatever. I drove all the way down here, and once it's on, and I'm not stressing. So you guys better buy a t-shirt, because that was a little bit much. So now I got the camera, got my phone, got my wallet, and we're gonna go home. I'll pick you guys back up tomorrow. All right guys, it is the next day. We are after a car meet we just went to. I just picked up a fat wad of cash and we are going to get my car back from the exhaust shop. I'm super excited, and we're at the bank right now and we've got a Huracan right next to us. This man's getting the big money out of the bank. So I'll pick you guys up whenever we get back to the exhaust shop, and they'll finally hear how this thing sounds with my new setup. All right guys, we're here. The FRS is out front and center. Oh, I'm excited. I'm very excited. So give this man the money and hear what my new baby sounds like. All right guys, it's finally time. We paid the man. Here it is. So what we got going on now, CNT Racing unequal length headers, Catless to some random front pipe, and then a Catless mid pipe with the Invidia N1 exhaust. So I'm gonna hop in and start up for the first time. We're gonna see just how different this thing sounds. All right, Mike's gonna rev it up for us, see how different it is.
All the way?
Just go a little bit, and then all the way. So do 3 revs. Mike, go all the way down. Yes, sir. That's awesome, dude. You happy? That's sick.
That's
awesome.
I like how he's like doing it all the way.
He's a homie.
When I do it, I was like, oh my god.
Yes, dude. If any of you guys need any exhaust stuff done, come over to Aces. They took care of me and they're gonna take care of you guys. This smells amazing. This smells Catless gas. It's gonna be a baby. Woo! All right, so let's hop in this thing, drive it home, and just hear what this thing sounds like on the road. This thing sounds crazy. We'll give it a little bit of the juice under here. Jesus. Alright guys, we made it home. I'm super happy with the Catless setup. I haven't even thrown a check engine light yet, so I think this is a good sign. I'm going to tune the car later today, but that will be another video. I have the open flash tablet, so we're going to go stage 2 and see what we can do with that. So I'm super excited. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to have any questions about the setup or want to replicate this for yourself, please leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know how you think it sounds and if I want to add anything else in the future. So if you did like the video, please smash that like button, subscribe. If you're new to the channel, join the 8-6 family, and I'll see you in the next video.